Hello, good day everyone, Rogelio here, and today I'm going to share to you a video about how to share YouTube links or videos to be posted on your Teams using your mobile as requested by one of my subscribers. So let's start. So supposing you are already on your team, opening it through your mobile and click on the desired folder or subject that you're teaching. So from there, you can see here, new post on the bottom of the screen, click on the new post. And on the keyboard or the chat box, you can see on the left side, a plus sign, click on that. And you will have here all the information or the desired attachment that you want to put, including YouTube. So we have already here the YouTube icon or logo, click on that and you will be asked to enter the link from the YouTube. So simply go to the YouTube, then you can just click on the desired video, or you can click on the search to find the title of the video that you wanted, or from the playlist itself, then copy the link from that desired video, then go back to the Teams, click on that space and paste the link that you have copied. Now I have already here, click on that. It will be already be saved on the chat, then click on send. Now when you click on the send, this will prompt on the screen, so your students can already view the video that you would like them to view or to study. Hope this video helps. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, and I hope that you will click on the subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.